Welcome, viewers, to another captivating journey through the heart of Accra, Ghana. Today, we are exploring the luxurious and serene airport residential area, a neighborhood that seamlessly blends modern elegance with tranquil living. Known for its upscale residences, tree-lined streets, and top-notch amenities, this area is one of the most sought-after places to live in Accra. So, sit back, relax, and let's take a deeper look into this prestigious part of the city. As we cycle through the well-maintained street of the airport residential area, the first thing you will notice is the sense of calm and exclusivity that surrounds us. This neighborhood is a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of the city, offering its residents an oasis of peace. With its manicured lawns, elegant homes, and a touch of nature at every corner, it is easy to see why this area is so highly regarded. The architecture here is a mix of modern design and traditional influences, with many homes boasting expansive gardens and state-of-the-art facilities. This blend of style not only provides aesthetic pleasure, but also a sense of heritage and contemporary sophistication. The neighborhood is well known for its excellent amenities. You will find some of the finest restaurants and cafes tucked away in this area, offering a variety of international cuisines that cater to both residents and visitors. The community is also home to several upscale hotels, perfect for travelers seeking luxury and convenience. airport residential area is not just about luxury living. It is also a hub for business and diplomacy. The neighborhood houses several embassies and high commissions, making it an important diplomatic center within Accra. The presence of these institutions adds to the area's prestige and its reputation as a safe and secure location. One of the highlights of this neighborhood is its accessibility. As the name suggests, the area is conveniently located near the Kotoka International Airport, making it an ideal spot for frequent travelers and business professionals. Despite its proximity to major transport hubs, the area retains its quiet and serene ambience, a testament to its careful planning and development. The community here values leisure and relaxation. The area is dotted with private parks and recreational facilities where residents can unwind and enjoy the outdoors. It is not uncommon to see people jogging along the tree-lined paths, enjoying a morning run or taking a leisurely stroll in the evening, embraced by the cool, refreshing breeze. That brings us to the end of our tour of the airport residential area, a neighborhood that embodies the essence of luxury, tranquility, and convenience. Whether you are looking to settle down, conduct business, or simply enjoy a high-quality lifestyle, this area has it all. I hope this tour has given you a glimpse into what makes this neighborhood so special. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tours of Accra's finest neighborhoods. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the beauty that surrounds us. Thank you for watching.